Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, we're doing another review today, folks. We've got a 5-in-1 hand blender. And folks, I always only review stuff that I use. I don't review the stuff that I never use. So I've got this Acekool 5-in-1 hand blender, folks, and I got this one because I kind of like the idea. And I wanted to try out another one. And this one is a heck of a deal. So I tell you what, let's take a look at it on Amazon, then we'll get it out of the box. All right, here it is. Like I always do, everybody wants to know what's it cost. What's it cost? So here it is. Here it is on Amazon. It's $40. Hand blender, 5-in-1 immersion stick blender. It says 800 watt. Electric handheld blender. It's got a chopper. It's got a container. It's got a milk frother for those of you who would like to froth your milk. Egg whisk for puree. Infant food, smoothie sauces and soups. So I'll tell you what. Let's get it out. Now let's get it out of the box. But this thing looks pretty cool. All right, there it is out of the box. You even get a little hand blender cookbook. You get the instruction manual, and then you got a warranty card here too. And I don't know if you can see that. It says 2-year warranty from the date of purchase. So that's pretty good. I already like this thing because of the functionality, and I've been playing with it a little bit. And number one, you've got you can adjust your speeds right there. You've got an on and off button right here, and then you've got turbo right here, on, off, and then turbo here. That's pretty cool. Here's the little chopper dicer type deal that comes with it. And to disengage, it just has these two. See those right here? Pop that up, and then it comes right out. Now to use like you want to whisk up some eggs or something like that. Here you've got this attachment right here. Fits right on, boom, just like that. And then this pulls out, and then you've got, I guess this would be maybe a frother of sorts, and then that just fits in like that, and away you go. So it's, like I said, the functionality of it is super simple, and that's what I like about these things. It's got your little glass here for mixing up your smoothies. This is, I don't know if you can see this, you probably can. It's in ounces, and it's in milliliters, but it looks like it goes up to 20 ounces. And then you've got, Here's your blender type deal. And then once again, I just like the way that comes on and off. That is as simplistic and functional as possible. So let's plug it in and see what it can really do. It's kind of cool. I didn't realize it. When you plug it in, it's got a lighted dial up there. And that's your, you can hear, that's your speed setting right there. And then in order to keep it on, you got to hold down the button. Nice and quiet. And then here's the turbo. That's nice and quiet. So I tell you what, let's see what it sounds like in the chopper. All right, let's try our food processor and see what that sounds like. Oh yeah, a little bit more noise there, but you're gonna get that with that. So that works pretty cool. We gotta wash off. I want to wash off the bottom of this, and actually should wash everything off before I use it. But I'm gonna put a little water in here and see how she froths that up. All right, just got a little water there, and I put a whisk in to see how well that works. It works. I'm sure that'll do just fine. Changing out heads, like I said, is simplistic. You just pull that off, and then we'll put that on. And it just locks right in. There's no specific spot you have to put it. And then we'll just put her down in the water there, and holy cow, that got some suction. It almost sticks to the bottom. That's got a lot of power there, folks. A lot of power. Let's try the chopper. All right, so I have no idea how it's gonna handle carrots. I got some baby carrots in there. And let's just put her on there, and let's see what happens. Holy cow. Yeah, that's no problem there. It walked right through that. Cool. All right, folks, I'll clean up. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below to Amazon for this. But that was pretty impressive. The old carrot test, and it worked very, very nice. And that's one of the reasons I got it, is I wanted a small processor, food processor, and this thing's got plenty of power. As you saw, if it can handle carrots, it can handle everything else. And everything else that comes up with it, obviously these if it can chop carrots, all this is going to work just great. So Tom Horseman on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this, folks. Check him out on YouTube for $40. I mean, on Amazon for $40. It's a heck of a deal. Check Tom Horseman out on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.